The weather is almost the same as yesterday. May 30th, light rain, gentle breeze. The high will be 71 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Subscription, only for New Yorkers. May 31st, heavy intensity rain, fresh breeze. The high will be 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 55 degrees Fahrenheit. June 1st, few clouds, moderate breeze. The high will be 65 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 54 degrees Fahrenheit. June 2nd, light rain, moderate breeze. The high will be 73 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 55 degrees Fahrenheit. June 3rd, light rain, gentle breeze. The high will be 77 degrees Fahrenheit. The low will be 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Subscribe. More information at weatheradar.com.